Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix basically Valorant installer not opening. So I have a few options for you to use, and in this video I will show you how. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings and make sure that your computer is fully updated, right? So press that and then press check for updates, and if it's fully updated and if it's not working, try to basically run as a administrator Valorant installer. And if it's not working, then you need to go to as you can see here, control panel, Windows Defender Firewall, and you need to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. So turn off this, and then press OK. And after you install Valorant, make sure to turn on Defender Firewall if you don't have antivirus, so antivirus system. So if you have some antivirus program, try to turn that off too as well. Right, so if this option is not working, then you need to go to Valorant, log into your Valorant account, and download not from for me, as you can see here, it's English US. Try to download from a different location, for example DE, and try to download from a different location. So this method worked for me, and probably it will work for you. All right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.